Hi, today I'm going to prepare a healthy recipe. For this, we'll need these ingredients: lettuce, celery, tomato, cucumber, carrot, red bell pepper, and cilantro. We'll also need 4 washed potatoes, butter and milk. Finally, we'll need a chicken breast with herbs, oregano, garlic powder, and salt. Step number 1. Cut the chicken breast into thin slices. My mom helps me with this step. Add the spices and rub them in so the flour is well distributed. Step number 2. In a skillet, add a little oil and arrange the chicken breast slice in a single layer. Step number 3. Now take the potatoes, cut them in half, and put them in a pot of boiling water. Step number 4. Let's start with our salad. Take the carrot and grate it into small pieces. Be careful not to cut yourself. Place all of this in a salad bowl. Step number 5. Take that celery and add into the bowl with the carrot. Step number 6. Do the same with the bell pepper, cucumber, tomato, lettuce, and cilantro. Then, if you like, you can squeeze half a lemon over into a touch of acidity. You can also add olive oil, but that's a matter of personal preference. Step number 7. After peeling and mashing the potatoes, mash them. I didn't have a potato masher, so I used a fork. Then add milk and a little butter and stir to combine everything. Eight. Finally, plate salad, and there you have it, a delicious chicken breast with mashed potatoes and salad. Thanks for watching. Bye.